guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my very favorite, it is like my #1 go-to hairstyle, which are the Dutch braids. So if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle right here, then just keep watching because we're gonna get started. First, start out by brushing through your hair. You want to make sure that there are no knots or tangles in your hair. It's way easier to do the French braids or any type of braid once your hair is nice and brushed through. And then towards the end, just try to brush everything back, since that's how you're going to be working anyway with your braids. Now take a comb and try to part the closest to the center of your head as possible. I use my nose for reference, so I just do a nice part right down the center using the comb. Once I have 2 even sections, then I just go ahead and put a ponytail around 1/2 to keep that hair separated, and that way you can keep that nice clean line down the center because that half isn't going to get in the way. Now you can go ahead and start taking a section of your hair. I like to take a good 1/2 inch to inch section, and you're going to go ahead and split it into 3 even parts. So there'll be 1 closest to the part, 1 in the middle, and 1 towards the outer edge of your scalp. You're going to take the part closest to your part and you're going to wrap it underneath the center piece of your hair. And once that piece is in the center, then you'll take the outer piece and wrap that underneath the center piece. And you're going to repeat this 1 more time. You're not going to add any extra hair. You're just going to use these 3 pieces. Once you have that completed, now is the time when you can start adding hair. So I'm starting towards the center of the part, and I'm going to take that and add it to that piece, and again wrapping it under the middle piece, not over. When you wrap it under the middle piece, that's the trick to getting the Dutch braid. If you were to wrap it over, you would get a normal French braid. So you're just going to repeat this all the way down until the end of your hair. I like to make sure that I'm angling it a certain way, and that way I know exactly where the braid is going to land. So you can see I'm kind of pulling it a little bit out of an angle instead of going straight back from my part. And I'm making sure after each piece is tucked under the middle, I'm tightening it. And so now you can have a good back view just to kind of see how it's turning out. And you're going to continue this all the way down into the end, or all the way down until you feel comfortable tying a little ponytail around. So once you start getting towards the end, that is when you can wrap the ponytail around. I like to take one that's closest to my hair color, and I like to take a very thin one to wrap around the base, but you could also take a clear elastic if you like. Alright guys, so that's it for this quick little tutorial. I hope that this was helpful in some way. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.